Carter, Eva, and I came up. Carter's going to help me build the little woodshed tomorrow. So I did this part here. I can't tell you how ecstatic I am. Me and my weeding. I still haven't done that little patch over there. So I did this here. With this type of moss, it's a lot easier to do. So I've got all of this done. I just have to do that, which I believe is possibly a third left. So tomorrow morning I'll get up and maybe after breakfast and do this area here and then leave that for next week. Well, we're going to go in and have our dinner. It's a little late. We had a really late lunch. But the kids have been having a grand old time with Stubby over there. I'm loving the way that this is turning out. So the vegetable garden is a little bit drier today, which is good. I don't know what the issue is, but I'm going to dig underneath to make sure that there is drainage. Yeah. I'm going to go in because these mosquitoes are crazy around me. And those lilies over there looking quite beautiful. And we have some hostas here in bloom. I'm loving all of this. So I'd like to set the stones here. We have to move them over from where the boats are. So put the stones here so that I can start doing the wall over there during my holidays. Yeah. So I thought that all of the stuff there that we laid, all the grass and leaves and everything else, that it would be a lot lower. And it's about the height of the sand. So we're going to bring the sand further in. So it started raining and we went in, ended up having lunch, and it just continued. The kids had their naps and that was that. So I chilled for a bit. In the morning I did come out and did a little bit of weeding over here. So I got this all cleared up. The honeysuckle is doing well. Got a few of the blooms. I don't know that this is the ideal spot for it. But anyway, I got this done. That's a really nice blue flower. I'll see after it blooms. I may end up moving it to the garden down there. But I did this here, and as you can see, there's moss spreading here. I also did this stretch down here over to there. Everything is still too damp, so I'm going to try and finish this off here. I ended up putting some topsoil. I'll go around. Oh, and then in the midst of all of this, I ended up clearing up a little bit over there because we've got all of these raspberry bushes coming in. So tidied that up a little bit. I'm going to leave the strawberries. So I ended up putting some nice soil in here as well. I didn't put any at the back because I don't want to build that up too much, and it's around the same level. But I definitely like to get more flowers here I only have these and another one there. None of the others have bloomed, so I'm hoping that we'll get something. Do we have a little frog there? Hmm? We were down here just doing some stuff, and the kids were building. Lots of structures here. Carter built that bridge. There's another one here. We thought maybe the rain would have filled it up, but it didn't. So lots.
Mommy, I want to tell you something.
Mm-hmm.
So you know my pieces of wood?
Yeah.
Well, there's only one more left of those, and
there's more pieces over there, Eva, that you can use. Okay. So I ended up moving the white impatiens from behind the cottage, behind the playhouse here. I'm okay, thank you. So we've got some nice red, pink, white. This one, I'm going to keep chipping at it, so maybe those inner things will come out maybe next year or the year after. A little toad? Oh, he's so cute. And then over here I just have the red and the pink. So we've got a little toad over here. Just leave him. He's probably very scared.
Yeah, he went down in a hole underneath. He went down like this.
Yeah, he just wants to hide.
Well, his home is probably on the old corner of this, or on top of their house.
I don't think it's on top of their house.
Well, maybe that's similar.
Well, I'm sure it is.
I
don't know. Or which? Or holes. Foes.
Hey, maybe we can there's water in it.
No, we're not going to put water here. But when we get the pressure washer out, we're going to wash this down because it looks pretty gicky.
Yeah. Okay, I want to feel the foes. The bugs are going on.
Be careful because this will be slippery. It's wet and it's got... Yeah, that's the beaver log.
Yeah, it's covered in moss.
Yeah.
And
this is our beaver takedown.
Why is it covered in moss? Took all of the trees.
Yeah, oh, there's mosquitoes coming out. Yeah. And we have this little shrub here that went down. Oh, that's probably the groundhog. That's a big one.
Yeah.
That's probably the groundhog.
We should not stick our hands in it.
No. Big hole. That's probably about 8 inches.
What does a groundhog look like?
A groundhog? It's Mr. Peekaboo Man, remember?
Oh, what happens if I stick my hand in?
That's not a good thing to do. That's his house. We don't stick our hands in any hole. Well, it's his house. He doesn't want you sticking your hands there. How would you feel if there were...
Well, if somebody stick their hand in mine, then I would lift my hand. I would lift my head up, and I won't even see coming, and I'll bite the finger.
Well, that's what he might do too. So you don't put your hand...
What if it's a little baby?
Yeah, okay, we can go down there. So I'm not sure. There's some stuff coming through, but if he's still down in that hole, Mr. Peekaboo Man, he may be coming here on a regular basis for snackings. Yeah? I don't think it's chipmunks. Yeah, I think it's voles.
What was that? And I don't think it was a success.
Yeah, I think he probably lives by those rocks there.
Yeah, because that's pretty much what it's on.
Yeah.
Unless it goes down and pops up in another spot. Can it go in the water? How we want to be bad. Can it look?
Did you get them?
No, I said ew because I splashed myself with lake water.
Oh. Are they bothering you, Eva? So either we're going to have to put some spray on because they've been coming to me. Either we have to put some spray on or go in because they seem to be out. You going that way? It's that time of the evening. The kids were down on the beach today. I cleaned up a little bit over there, but not here. I raked the beach here. I removed the pebbles from here, so I'll have to allow it to dry and then reset. I've got all the beads there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get them cleaned up. I hope so. I may come back down with a container to put them in, but yeah, I've got that to do. So it's kind of darkish. And I love when I do that, you know, one rake and it changes the whole appearance. So I also worked on the garden there and tidied it up, put in some impatiens as well. So have some impatiens there just for a splash of red. Okay, I'm gonna go because I'm beginning to hear things. Mosquitoes are out. The kids are calling me. Time for me to go. Have a good evening. Yeah, I opened this up and I tried to move this crushed rock out of here, and I did 3. They're quite heavy. They're about 40 pounds a bag, or 18 kilograms, and yeah, my arms just aren't as cooperative as they used to be. This little tree here is going to need a little haircut, so I'll do that later on because right now, slightly overwhelmed. So I just want to have this left, and that's it. And with this left, I'll be a happy camper. Weeding over here, I will start after I do that there, and that's only going to get done after I finish the weeding there. And the weeding is going to be in between jobs because this is going to be the next one. Joe is out on the bay recovering an empty water bottle. We've got the motley crew over here. Carter is in the water with weight. What do you call those? A weight hip waders. So Carter's in the water with hip waders, and Eva's really wanting to get in. Oh, here comes Joe. He recovered the bottle. It's so nice out. Elizabeth's going to stay for an extra day or 2. We've got the Eaves guys coming out tomorrow. So I'm really excited about that. But it's a lovely day. Look at my garden over there. All of those beautiful daisies. Goodness gracious. Gotta go out and meet him. got sausages going. The rack hooks on the side have broken. So this is what we have. That's right. This is called makeshift.